I am so honored and thrilled to be coming to the UK in March for the 2019 APDO conference. I've been following APDO for several years, and I'm really impressed and excited by the professionalism, the dynamism, and the growth of your own association. It is crucial to have a strong national association to educate and support those who are passionate about being successful in this wonderful industry. My name is Alison Lush. I'm a dual certified professional organizer working in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. I'm a member of the Professional Organizers of Canada, as well as the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals in the United States. I'm also a longtime subscriber to the Institute for Challenging Disorganization, and I'm currently the president of the ICD Board of Directors. ICD and APDO have just signed an affiliate agreement, and we will be so happy to talk with you about the specialized education ICD has to offer you in addition to the wonderful APDO education. And for the 2019 APDO conference, I have the honor of presenting 2 times. The first session is about the hugely popular KonMari method of organizing, but with a unique twist. One of the primary criticisms of the process is that it's very directive. I'll be presenting an in-depth analysis of how this method might and might not be helpful for anyone affected by other issues which frequently contribute to chronic disorganization. And in my second session, I'll be sharing insights from my own 9-year evolution, just how I went from living with chronic disorganization myself to becoming a dual certified and successful professional organizer. This look into how it feels to be disorganized using the professional lens led to insights that help me with my own clients, and I'm confident they'll help you with your clients as well. I'm convinced that the 2 pillars that have lifted me up and supported me in this career are education and community, and I so look forward to meeting you all. Claire Kumar has suggested that you reach out ahead of the conference via social media. Another great idea from Claire. And count me in. I have a personal and professional Facebook pages. I have Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and I'm quite tickled about the success of my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in London.